the time comes, baby, it's alright. Something, happy ever after, baby. I would make you suck all on my dick. Really? He's doing the fucking noise. Fuck that. He's just standing. I don't like that.
How does the song go?
I want to sing.
I'm at a pace trying to call.
Alright, you ready? You gonna do it?
I'm doing a 911.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
There's a comment there, never mind.
Fuck that! I plead the fifth.
Say hi.
Get the fucking fruit off.
Alright.
Booty,
Booty, booty, booty. Oh my god. This is Tori.
Yo.
We gotta get the fuck
Alex.
out of here.
Matt.
Get out of here.
Grab all the fruit roll-ups all we can. Get the fucking fruit.
Run!
Let's go, let's go.
Wow. boyfriend is crazy.
Little.
That's on him.
My big brother's crazy too.
Hey.
Alright.
Crazy bitch, but you fucking
It's so good, I'm all down with it. Yeah, I forgot the rest of the words. Cracking off down my back. Right on.
You're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good, I'm on top of it.
When I dream. Look at him, he's just over there. Alrighty. Well, that was today's segment. Goodbye. My boyfriend is so cute.
Trying to call
home all of my change I spend on you.
Never baby, you're so wrong. Hey, Matt, most sexual hug ever. Only real men know how to do this.
Because we remember people we used to be. Being hotter.
Where's the camera?
Fuck. What the fuck is that?
Alright.
Listen, wasted all of my baby, but now I tasted my life. This turned out the light.
Huh? Huh?
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent.
Again. Alright. Bye.
And I seem to always fucking find it in here.
Alright. Bye. Ooh. Okay. Bye. Bye. Mwah.